Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we'll be talking about how we can read from a file using your C program. Okay, so when we go for reading from a file, there'll be three new functions that we would be requiring to use: fopen, fgetc and fclose. Fopen obviously is for opening the file, fclose is to close the file, and fgetc is to read character from the file. Along with this, you will see one new inbuilt character constant, which is EOF, which indicates end of the file. Like for C strings, you have a null character which indicates end of a string. For checking the end of file, you have to check for this character. It is mandatory to use capital letters as C language is case sensitive. Another new thing that you would be using is file, which is an inbuilt data structure or a data type which we will be using to create a file and work with the file. So now let us see how we can read. So on screen you are seeing a program which is meant to read characters from a file and display it on the screen. The first thing that we need to do is to create or open the file, right? So first thing, we have to open the file. So whenever a file is opened, at that time what happens internally is the file from the hard disk is loaded to the buffer residing in RAM. A file is a set of characters and you don't know the length of the characters, right? So the first character's address is returned whenever we open the file to the program. Now we have to catch that address inside a pointer. That is why for the inbuilt structure file, we are creating a pointer to that structure which is created. Right? So whenever we open the file, this fopen returns address of the first byte of the file that we are going to open, which is loaded in the RAM. So it is address of the first byte of the buffer where the file is loaded. And that address is stored in FP. Because FP holds address, it has to be a pointer variable. Right? So here you can see for opening the file, I am using fopen function. The first argument in the function is the file name. This is the file that we want to open, file name. And the second argument here is mode in which you want to open it. Mode indicates or tells the compiler whether you want to read the file, write the file, or append to the file. Now our task, as you know, is to read the characters from the file and display it on the screen. So we start reading the characters inside a loop one by one. It is an infinite loop with the indication of while 1, right? And it will break when the character that you have read is end of file. The loop will break or the loop will end when you reach the end of the file. Now in this loop, in a character which is declared as ch, you are reading the data through fgetc function from the memory location pointed by fp. Right? So you are reading from the memory, from the file which is residing in the memory pointed by fp. Now when you are then you are printing the character. Now when you go again in the loop, here you will feel that we are not incrementing pointer anywhere. Now because you are working with file, this file is logically using something known as cursor, which keeps on advancing on its own. The character at which you are currently working, the cursor resides there. So once you have read a particular character, the cursor advances to the next character. So actually you do not have to work or increment the pointers here. The pointer is just to figure out where the file is, right? Inside the file, when you are reading the characters, moving from one character to another is automatically handled by the cursor position, right? So every time you go for getc, you will be reading the next character. right? So first time it is first character, next time it is second character, then third, fourth, fifth, until you reach the end of the file. You will read the character, print it. If the character that you have read is end of file, you will break the loop. Once the task of reading and printing is over, you have to close the file. Closing the file will free that memory, and that memory buffer area can be used for another files or another variables. So closing is very much important. Let us quickly go through the program once again. File pointer is required to open a file. Whenever you open a file, it is copied from HD to buffer, which is residing in the RAM. The pointer of the first byte of this buffer stores the address of the first byte of this buffer. This particular pointer is storing the address of first byte of this buffer. Right? Once you are done with this, you also have to mention the mode in which you are opening. So R is for read mode, W is for write mode, and A is for append mode. While in an infinite loop, you are reading the characters from the file until you reach the end of the file. And then you print the characters, and once you reach the end of the file, you close the file and your task is done. Thank you for watching.